Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove credit card from Roblox PC. So first you need to do is to open Roblox and log in into your Roblox account. So once you log in, you simply need to click on this gear icon on the top right and go into your settings tab. So once you are in your setting tabs, you simply need to go on to the payment methods, and here you can see that save payment methods. You can easily find your credit details here, and you simply need to select and you simply need to click on delete. Once you done that, your payment method will be deleted. So this is the process how you can remove credit card from Roblox PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.